ọmọ àǹtí mi àbó rí bí lẹ́yìn bí àwọn ọlọ́pàá ṣe lọ sọ́dọ̀ Portable tí Portable ara sí wọn tó lé wọn dànù tó ń bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ bíi pé ọmọ inú ẹ̀ ni tó ní government liability òun ṣiṣẹ́ fún APC so ọmọ ìjọba làwọn government liability ọmọ ìjọba àwọn wọ́ọ̀kì fún APC àwọn làwọn ń rúùlù ìjọba lọ́wọ́ torí pé ogún ọdún kan péré ìgbà míì wà tí ẹlẹ́bi máa ń jàre aláre ni á dẹ̀ padà jẹ̀bi nígbà tí ò bá ní sùúrù rẹ pé everybody ló fẹ́ bá jà everybody ló fẹ́ tàm sí everybody ló fẹ́ yẹ̀yẹ́ bí anybody bá déwájú ẹ̀ wá dúró tó jẹ́ pé ẹjọ́ jẹ́ akẹgbẹ́ torí pé wọn náà ti ń ka dọ́là ó ti ń ka pounds ó ti ń ka náírà tán bá sọ̀rọ̀ kékeré fún ẹ wàá máa sọ̀rọ̀ sí wọn àwọn tó jọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀ ó ní bó ṣe máa ń dùn wọn tẹ́ bá jọ ṣe mistake bóyá tán bá ṣẹ̀ ẹ̀ èèyàn máa ń gbàyàn dànù àìmọye àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ èmi bí mo ṣe wà mi ò lọ́rẹ̀ẹ́ tí mi ní ọ̀rẹ́ tímọ́tímọ́ wallahi lazim I don't have close friend mi ní ọ̀rẹ́ lóbìnrin ní tímọ́tímọ́ I don't have it tán bá ní ọ̀rẹ́ tímọ́tímọ́ mi ní ọ̀rẹ́ tímọ́tímọ́ bí mo ṣe wà mi ò ní ẹni ọ̀rẹ́ tí mo ní is on social media and then àwọn group mi àwọn supporters group àwọn tẹ́ni ọmọ ológo group ń lọ̀rẹ́ mi ní mo mọ̀ táàjọ máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ ní ìgbàkígbà àti ní òrèkóòrè mo láwọn bàbá gidi mẹ́ mo láwọn màmá gidi mẹ́ mo láwọn ọ̀rẹ́ gidi mẹ́ but close friend natural friend tán máa ń pè ní ọ̀rẹ́ pé ọ̀rẹ́ ìmúròde mi rè táàjọ dá sọ I don't have it o n ò lọ́rẹ̀ obìnrin n ò lọ́rẹ̀ ọkùnrin mi wá yàn lọ léwọn ìwà mi wálé tíjà bá ti pa wá pọ̀ nígbà tèmi àti wọn jọ ń ṣe mo máa ń pààyàn tí ń tèmi ni instead tí mo máa fi yẹ̀yẹ́ wọn mo mọ bóun àti ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀ kan náà tó pè ní DJ mautu àbí DJ chicken bí turkey ni bí màálù ni I don't know tó ṣe gbá yẹn náà lójú gbòs ọ̀rẹ́ nìyí àìmọye nǹkan mi tó pé téèyàn bá jọ ṣe àṣepọ̀ téèyàn máa fojú fòdà èèyàn máa ní àfojúfòdà Portable ò ní àfojúfòdà rárá ó ní àmójúkúrò now ó ti wà nílé ẹjọ́ Ọlọ́run àgbé yín o torí bó ṣe yẹ̀yí ọlọ́pàá jọ náà amòfin ni wọ́n àwa ní they don't talk to superstar like that who are you by the way by the bush oní kọ́mọ́ talk it kọ́mọ́ bá superstar wí bó bá tiẹ̀ járe pé bóyá ọmọ tó mú tó yẹ sọ gbogbo ẹ̀ kò yẹ kó yẹ̀yí ọlọ́pàá ó tún wá pè wọ́n ní fake police wọ́n come back to you wọ́n rọ́ọ̀pù ẹ mo dẹ̀ sọ fún ẹjọ́ pé dẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ Portable wọ́n ti gbé Portable lẹ́nu kan wọ́n ti arrest ẹ ó sì ní yóò.
sọ̀rọ̀ parent alẹ́ bísàbísà kálámà rẹ̀ ni máa ṣe transfer agoba ní Portable ọmọ lálọ́mí wàhálà musician international musician federal government liability ọmọ ìjọba ni mí. ẹ nà ó pastor. Sorry. Bisa, she cannot talk mami, abi mo dey go. I call police. Bisa, police is our friend. Wàhálà, I do meeting for live, orí mo fi ń ga o. Portable ọmọ lálọ́mí federal government liability ọmọ ìjọba. Ìjọba ló tọ́jú wa, ìjọba ló gáàdì wa. Wàhálà. Wàhálà wa ló àkọ́lé wa ra mọ́tò. Ọmọ náà wàhálà. Bisa, police is our friend, I go by name. Portable ọmọ lálọ́mí federal government liability.
Where do you think you are?
As you can see, Portable has been arrested. There is a petition against him from a Nigerian who has a studio, and this guy went to the studio of this man, and he destroyed the studio, and he still ordered his boys to beat him. He was beaten black and blue, and that was the basis of the petition in the first instance. Based on that, invitation letter was sent to him, not once, not twice, not 3 times. He refused to honor the invitation. When he refused to honor the invitation, they were sent to go and effect his arrest. And on getting there, he assaulted the officers that went there. But today, he has been arrested. He's with us. Investigation has commenced. And as soon as we conclude our investigation, he's going to be charged to court. Any moment from now, we'll be going to court. As soon as the investigation is concluded, he's going to court. That you are an artist, you are a star, does not make you to be above the law. Nobody is bigger than the law. The law is no respecter of anybody. If you are an artist, if you are a celebrity, you are a star, you operate within the ambit of the law, and the law will protect you. But when you take impunity as one of the characteristics of being a celebrity, you will have the law enforcement agents to contend with. It is not possible for somebody to become an island on his own, and for somebody to become bigger than the law. So the law, we are all equal before the law, and the law will take care of anybody who run foul against.